could the way to a successful briquette be right there in our hands? Welcome back. If you subscribed and all of that, like, that's great. Let's keep it going. The comments are coming thick and fast now, so you guys are doing a brilliant job. Thank you. I want to show you this one. This happened yesterday. Look at this. The old briquette thing. So yes, I got a lot of subscribers from briquettes. Even though I'm a woodworker and a maker, my dust from machines and things goes through a process, and I create these briquettes which burn longer than wood, which is great. But yesterday I was making some of these beauties down here. Look at them, very dark, high coffee content. There's a cafe behind my workshop, and this started happening. What is that about? I'm going to show you. How yucky is this? So what we're doing is we've got this bucket full of composted shavings and coffee, and I'm just, without a press, look, and that will burn a treat. So that goes on there. Poe, come back, and on to the next one. And this is how quick they can be. So how long's this? So just, where are we with seconds? We're at 1 minute, and I've just started that one. What's that? 9 seconds. Could this be the better way of doing it, rather than using a press? And you can do them any size, and they can go on your fire and neatly pile up like coal. Or look how wet that is. It's got all the lovely liquid inside it. I'm squeezing them so that the liquid goes inside to fill any voids inside. Look at that. Look at those lovely shavings in there. Nice, isn't it? Right, we're going to go smaller now because those are too big. And these will be ready for Christmas. Make your Christmas briquettes now, so that they'll be ready for Christmas. But look how quickly this is going down. Look at the bucket's nearly empty. You never know, I might be selling a press, haven't I? Ridiculous, isn't it? You buy a press, you start making things, and then you actually find later on. How are you doing filming that? You're doing great. You can get me in it a bit, look, get me in it as well. Got me? There you go. Look at that. These are, and you're not going to get a better mould than a pair of hands, are you? Well, let's just put him there. They're like little Christmas puddings. I'm nearly at the bottom. I've got 2 more to do, and that's it. I've emptied the bucket. That is so much quicker. And this I can pick up and put down. I can pick this up and put it down, and I haven't got to get my press out and do all of that. And so that takes about a minute, whereas these things are taking seconds. No, I'm liking this. I think this might be a future. Don't bother with a briquette press. Use your hands. I think the last one is a baby. It's not bad, is it? Crikey, how quick did I get through that? It shows, doesn't it? This could be the way forward. Could this be the way forward? Let me know in the comments what you think of these. I mean, for me, they're much quicker. And we've had a chat, and we think that even though these can last 2.5 hours in the fire, these will last, they will last obviously shorter period of time, but it might be a ratio thing that those take, you know, a minute or 2 to make, and they'll burn for 2.5 hours. These take a few seconds to make, but they might burn for an hour and a bit. So actually that could be the most efficient way of making briquettes. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, hit the bell button, all the other stuff. Don't forget you can still buy me a coffee, which it's been bleak recently, but then if you can buy me a coffee, that's great. But do we need a press? I don't think so. This could be the way forward. Thanks for watching.